Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Scott and on today's video I'm going to be repairing my fishing rod that I broke last year. But before we get into the video, how many of you have gone onto YouTube, looked for a video to help you repair something or just to help you with knowledge of something? I'm guilty. I couldn't find the video that I wanted. I could find videos on repairing the tip of the rod. I could find videos on repairing plastic poles. So I took both of those videos, combined them, and came up with my own version of how I would repair a fishing rod. Let's dive down, take a look at the products, take a look at the rod, and we'll get on with the repair. Hi guys, and here are the products I'm going to be using. '80 grit sanding disc, 180 grit sanding paper, 2-inch masking tape, several 1-inch paint brushes with disposable cups, disposable gloves, and resin and hardener. And lastly is the carbon fiber sheeting. Now it's 4 inches by about 3 or 4 meters long. I've already gone ahead and cut 2 strips which are 2 inches by 27 inches long. So now we've seen the products, let's take a look at the rod and start making our repairs. Hi guys, so here's the rod. As you can see, there's the nice break that I'm trying to repair. We'll sand from this edge down to here. I've already put the masking tape there so that that's as far as I really want to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the 80 grit sanding disc and we're going to sand this down. That's the end of the rod sanded down. So we're going to move on to the resin and the carbon fiber. Right then guys, so the next part of the video is using the resin. So we're going to pour just enough to do what we need to for the moment. If I can get the lid off, there we go. So you want to use roughly about that much of the resin to start with. And in terms of using the hardener, you want something like a pea size amount. Oh, a little too much there, but it won't matter too much. There we go. That's stirred enough. So we're going to take our resin and just put a nice coat all over. I want to leave that about 10 to 20 seconds just to let it soak into the material, and then we'll start applying the carbon fiber. Right, I think that's long enough. So what we want to do is we want to start on a slight angle so that as it wraps around it creates a nice form. So what I am going to do, I don't have any clear tape, but what I will do is use the masking tape to wrap around on the outside, create a seal and push all that resin into the fibers. So we'll leave that for 24 hours now, allow it to dry, and we will come back and finish it off. Hi guys, welcome back. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the masking tape, give it a sand down with the 180 grit sandpaper, clean up the end, and job's done. Well, that's it guys, that's the masking tape off, slightly sanded down. Okay guys, so the rod's now fixed. All I've got to do now is test it. Stay tuned for the next video and see how I get on. Hopefully it doesn't break, and if it does, it'll be back to the drawing board. Hope you enjoyed watching, and if I've helped you out in any way, let me know in the comments below. Hi guys, just a final add-on to the video. I did finish it off with some white heat shrink, just to blend it in with the rest of the rod. Again, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned to the next video.